Dr. Suhas Shah is one of India's leading orthopedic surgeons and Russian surgery specialists. Since 1994, Dr. Shah is performing Russian surgery in Maharashtra. Until date, he has successfully done more than 1,000 operations. After becoming MS from Pune University, he obtained special education from the world's most experienced Russian surgery specialist, Dr. Pale Baltimore, and also took guidance from Italy's Professor Cattaneo and Cattani. Dr. Shah is renowned for his innovative ways of Russian surgery and has implemented them on various diseases. Knee pain can be completely cured by Russian surgery, and he has specialized in it. For the first time in India, Dr. Shah carried out surgery on diabetic neuropathy. He named the surgery as Elizarov angioplasty.
Osteoarthritis of the knee joint is a very important condition where Elizarov fixator can create miracle. This is the disease which is very commonly seen in India nowadays. What is osteoarthritis? It is the aging and wear and tear of the knee joint. Why patient gets osteoarthritis? We will see in this model, osteoarthritis is happening because the patient has got a deformity in the tibia. There is a varus deformity in the tibia, so the joint has got medial side more loading. You can see in this model, when patient has got a deformity, his weight is going through the medial compartment. As the medial compartment is got more load, patient develops erosion into the medial articular surface of the femur. Because of the erosion, the patient has got a pain. How Elizarov fixator helps in these deformities? By putting fixator, we can correct the varus deformity of the knee joint. By correcting the deformity, we are changing the loading pattern of the knee joint. Before the surgery, the patient is walking on the medial compartment, and after correction of the deformity, actually the patient is pushing the load on the lateral compartment. Before the surgery, the load was going in the medial compartment and the load pattern was 90% on the medial side and 10% on the lateral side. After surgery, the load is coming 50-50% on medial and lateral side. As there is an unloading on the medial compartment, the lesions which were there in the femoral condyle, the painful lesions, heals completely. Patient's cartilage which has worn and tear, which actually regenerate after unloading of the medial compartment. This surgery is done with a minimal incision, and the incision is taken below the tibial tuberosity for correction of the deformity. The fixator is applied to the leg, and this fixator is there for 2.5 months. During this period, the patient corrects the deformity with the fixator, and once the deformity is completely corrected, the patient gets complete relief from the osteoarthritis knee joint. Let us see some examples of osteoarthritis knee joint patient. If you see this patient, which is seen on the screen, she is a middle-aged female, and with her legs has been bowed. There is a deformity in both knee joint, and if you see her X-ray, there is a decrease in the medial compartment joint space. This patient is having a knee joint pain in both legs with a bow deformity. If you see her video, she is walking with a lurch on the right side, and left side is also having lurch, but more on the right side. After correction of the deformity, you can see X-ray that the deformity is completely corrected. After removal of the frame, you can see her deformity completely disappeared. The movements of the knee joint can be achieved completely full, and patient can sit and squat after the treatment with Elizarov fixator. Pre-operation video shows a lurch, and post-operative video shows there is no deformity, there is no lurch, and patient is walking much better than before surgery. Her pain completely disappears. Many patients with osteoarthritis knee come to me with signs of depression. They feel that their life is over as they could not walk and move around because of the pain in the knee joint. But I want to give message to those patients that who has got a severe pain in the knee joint and deformities, do not lose the hope of life. There is a hope with Elizarov surgery, and you can become again normal without pain in the knee joint and can move around with treatment with Elizaro fixator.